Atlanta, Georgia. Going to be taking care of this horse trailer and going to be polishing out this aluminum. Just did that spot test there. I'm going to show you all the way around this thing. Pretty intricate. Got some intricate grooves in here. Going to be working around, coming around, coming around, coming around, as you can see. It's going to turn out awesome. So if you enjoyed this video,
Alright everyone, so this is a education moment. So what I'm showing you here is, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about aluminum. So I'm going to get into this. There is a little kitty right there. What's up, kitty cat? Alright, so if you look, I'm going to show you here, if you look in the metal, you'll see lines going across sideways. Okay, these are actually panels. Okay, they're about 6 inches right here, about 8 inches, 6 to 8 inches, and they interlock in grooves. Now, when this piece of metal was cast, either one of two things happened. Either when the machine that crimped the metal to make this design with these ridges caused these lines, these hundreds, if not thousands of lines on just this section here, starting from here all the way down. Let me show you. So what dictates shine or reflection or clarity? Okay, I'm gonna break it down to you. So color is luster. You can get a nice color in here, right? You can kind of see, I mean, it's got a nice reflection and it's got color. But clarity is dictated by the overall surface condition and smoothness. And when you have something polished, whatever your surface is underneath the polish or what was there to begin with, especially, okay, if it's gouges like this, like scratches, or mill lines. This is in the cast. This is in the metal, okay? Down to the DNA of the metal, okay? If it's in the cast, then regardless of what, you know, what you may think, you're like, oh yeah, well, it'll just smooth. No, because it's actually the structure of the metal itself. It's got lines in it. It's the way it was cast. And the way it was pressed and formed, it's there. It's a permanent feature of the metal now. And whatever else from the factory, from the actual place where this metal was made and produced, yeah, it's there.
All right, everyone, so just wrapped up with this horse trailer, polishing it out. Let me show you the after here. Turned out absolutely amazing. See that reflection in there? Looks beautiful. See that? Got the mirror finish, even though that it was a mill finish. You can still see the mill lines in it. It's there, and but even with all the mill lines going across, all of them, it still turned out absolutely beautiful. Turned out great. Turned out gorgeous. Let's see. I'm gonna bring it all the way around. There we go. Look at that. It is pretty. See me in there? Hey everybody. See that? It looks great. So